Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making Hobo packets, one of Erin's and our family's favorites. And I've got some sliced carrots, some sliced potatoes, raw, and some onions. My mom did these all the years that we grew up, and she even used the frozen cubed hash browns because it's, she worked and it was easier for her to do that, or that's what she had in the freezer. I don't know the reason, but Mom used those too. Those aren't my favorite, but if you're going camping or something, maybe that'll be easier for you. But I don't know, throwing in a bag of Yukon Gold potatoes is pretty easy too into the camper. So, got the onions, and those are Vidalia onions, but you can use any onion. Oop, I'm gonna switch this over here. And in here, I've got some heavy duty foil, and I've got the shiny side up. And I know we are really trying to avoid using aluminum, but once in a while here, it's okay. I have a stick of butter, and you can use Pam or olive oil, whatever you want. And grease your foil. And next I'm going to put in my vegetables. Anything you want. Like Erin doesn't, she loves carrots, but they don't particularly care for her. She's got an allergy to them. And so she doesn't want carrots in hers. And so we've got a layer of potatoes. And then I've got my nature seasoning, which is by Morton, and it's by all the spices. But you can use any of your favorite, whatever your favorite seasoning salt is. Then I'm going to put a little bit of butter. I'm going to put some onions. Got some onions all chopped up here. And then I'm going to put some carrots in here. Just like that. My husband loves these. We haven't done these for a long time, Erin. Erin's got a good imagination. And it's spring, and cooking outside on the grill is perfect. And so then you want to leave room on the side. Pile it to the middle if you want. And then you bring it up like this, and then you fold it over, and then you crease it really hard. Don't cut yourself. And then fold it over again and crease really hard, because that's what's going to keep the butter in there. I'm going to move this so you can see it better. And then you want to fold, and this is really important. You want to fold like an envelope fold. So that the butter doesn't escape out and start your grill ablazing. So I kind of stood that on end, tapped it down so I can feel, see, there's where the vegetables are. And so then I'm going to do that envelope fold again. Just like that. Okay? You can make as many or a few as you want. Sometimes for a meal, I'll throw these on and then I just pour them into a great big bowl to serve them. And so, anyway, that's how you make Hobo packets. And when Erin was at summer camp, back when she was a child, you can even take a raw hamburger patty and break it up, crumble it up inside of the packet here. I would put the hamburger patty in probably first, or the potatoes first, and then the hamburger on top of it. That would work great. And so then put your vegetables in, and you want to season as you go. And then put a little pat of butter in as you go, and then put some more on top of it. And season and layer, whatever your family likes. And you can do, for instance, you can do packet with asparagus in it, and you can just throw these right on the campfire. You can do broccoli. You can do whatever your family likes. Just name it. You can do green beans. Anything that you would normally grill or steam. That's it. And so I hope that you'll be back here in just a few minutes, and I'm going to show you the finished product. And so you just put these on the grill Like we're gonna have steak today, and so of course we're not gonna put the steak on at the same time. And these, you want to use, if you have them, some silicone tongs so that you don't, when you turn them on the grill, you don't poke holes in them in the foil. So you'll just kind of want to watch for that because you don't want all your butter to drip out. Because then there's large blaze in your grill with all the butter that's in there. And so we'll be back. Okay, welcome back. And we have our vegetable hobo packets off the grill. Aaron, you want to hand me a paper towel? These are hot. There is scalding 550-degree butter going to come out of these ends, so you don't want to spill it on yourself. Like if you're camping, you can eat right out of the foil packet if you want to. I'm going to try these real soon with putting the foil with parchment paper on the inside too, just to kind of keep the vegetables away from the foil. I'm going to try that and I'll let you know in the notes. Ooh, look at this. And there are our vegetables, and look how tender they are. There's carrots, perfectly cooked. The potatoes, perfectly cooked and tender. Those onions, delicious. And like I said, if you want to put a hamburger patty in, or like a raw hamburger in on the bottom, and then put your vegetables and butter and everything around that, then it'll be a meal in the Hobo packet. And so I'm going to serve these up with steak today and some biscuits, and we're going to have a delicious meal. I hope you stop by Jana's Kitchen and come back real soon.